Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Tamara and today I am making General Tso's chicken. Now, if you are like me, I cannot eat Chinese food from a restaurant. It just messes my digestive system up. So, I like to make it myself, and here's a recipe for General Tso's. It's pretty easy and tastes delicious. So you're just going to cut your chicken into cubes, into bite-sized cubes, and I used about a pound of chicken. You're going to break an egg into one bowl, mix it up, and in another bowl you're going to have about a half a cup to a 3/4 cup of cornstarch. Now, I did not get this filmed, but you're going to dip your chicken into the cornstarch, then into the egg, and then you're going to place it into hot oil. I used avocado oil. You're going to place it into hot oil in a wok on your stove. You're going to cook it 3 or 4 minutes on each side until it's done and golden brown. And once you want to do your chicken in batches. You don't want to crowd the chicken in the wok. So once one side is done, you're going to turn it, cook it on the other side, and then remove it from the wok and do another batch. And it took two batches to fry this chicken in the wok. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and peel about a 1-inch piece of ginger. And if you don't have fresh ginger, you can use powdered ginger. I would use about a half a teaspoon of powdered ginger. But I'm going to grate that on my box grater, and I'll have about a tablespoon of fresh ginger. Then I'm going to chop up 1 large clove of garlic. And once you have your garlic and ginger ready and your chicken is completed in the wok, remove the chicken and let it drain on a paper towel. And then you're going to add this to the wok to cook. Adding the garlic and the ginger to the hot oil in your wok, you're going to also add as much red pepper flakes as you like. I added about a half a teaspoon to the garlic and ginger, and you're just going to cook that for about 1 minute until it becomes very aromatic. And then you're going to add your other ingredients. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of chicken broth. You're going to stir that until the sugar has dissolved, and also you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now in a separate cup or bowl, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water, mixing that until the cornstarch has dissolved. Then you're going to add that to your soy sauce mixture on the stove. Once that has dissolved, add that slowly to your soy sauce and brown sugar mixture. Stirring that in really well with a whisk. You're going to let that come to a simmer. Once it has started simmering, it's going to become glossy, and you know it's time to add your chicken back to the wok. And I also added some steamed broccoli. I served this with jasmine rice and garnished it with green onions and sesame seeds. Hey, so thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that, and let me know where you're from and if you try my recipe. Thanks for dropping in, and I'll see you next time.